Right, here's the setup. Bike, background, separated it a little bit so the background's not in focus. Then I've got the Sony a7iii with the 85mm f1.4 from Sigma. Brilliant lens. You can kind of get a little sneak peek of my position there. So the bike's in the kind of lower third mainly of the frame, just got the wheels in. Just go down a little bit. I'm just shooting a little bit underexposed in aperture priority so don't fuck with it, and soon at f1.4 so we've got a separation for the background. I'm going to sit on the bike and I've got the small rig Bluetooth remote to take some pictures. So just like that. Test shot. Can hear it going. Let's go for no gloves. Just perch on the bike, visor down. She's looking cool as fuck. I'm interested to hear what you guys are shooting with. I know a lot of people shooting Sony nowadays. It's light and easy, especially people who ride bikes.